Welcome back, my good friends. Lately, Casio has been moving away from EL backlight on G-Shock and using more LED backlights. Because of that, I started thinking, which old school G-Shock with EL backlight should I get? I have owned the DW5600, DW5900, and DW6900, so I thought the DW5700 would be a good choice, or the revival model DW5750. This is DW5750E, and this watch uses module 3229, the same as the DW5600E. This model was released in 2018 to celebrate the 35th anniversary of G-Shock. I cannot believe that was already 8 years ago. I bought this beauty from a local shop some time ago, and wow, it looks superb. It is as cool as the DW5600, but with a more unique style. Here is a quick look at the modes. And here is the beautiful EL backlight. The backplate reminds me of the DW5600. The bezel design is also similar, but more rounded. And it has the same recessed adjust button. I will make a detailed review of this watch later, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you soon.